Okay, last one, review problem number 11. And this one looks like it's got a lot of parts to it, but honestly, it's not that bad. So, for a science project, a student plants seeds of two different varieties of corn plants. The table displays the heights in inches of each corn plant after 8 weeks. So, every week, the student went out and took the heights of the different corn plants and then did an average after 8 weeks. So this is variety A that's been planted. This is variety B. So how many plants of each variety were planted? All we have to do is count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of each. So he didn't just plant, or she or they did not just plant one corn seed for variety A and one corn seed for variety B. They planted 10 of each, which is good. For B, it says the mean height of the corn plants for a variety A is 43.8 inches. Interpret the value of the mean in the situation. Okay, well, remember that mean is another word for average. So this is saying that the average height of the corn plants, the average height of the corn plants is 43.8 inches. Okay, so that means that there are some that are shorter than 43.8. There are some that are higher than 43.8. But if we could cut down all 10 of these, which we don't want to do, but if we did, and then laid them out in a line and then divided them up into 10 equal sections, each section would be 43.8. So this one's a little bit higher than that. This one's a little bit shorter than that. Okay, so the average height of the corn plants is 43.8 inches. There are some higher or taller than 43.8 inches, and some shorter than 43.8 inches. Right. The median height of corn plants of variety A is 48 inches. Interpret the value of the median in the situation. Well, remember, the median means middle. The middle. So if you put the heights in order from smallest to largest, 48 is the number right in the middle. So that means that there are equal numbers of corn plants below 48 inches and above, higher than, taller than, above 48 inches. So the median is the middle. So there would be half the plants smaller than 48 inches, half the plants taller than 48 inches. For the variety or corn plants in variety A, describe the overall pattern of corn plant heights and any striking deviations. Okay, so the overall pattern, well, I mean, if we look at the numbers here, we have a striking deviation. We have a striking outlier here with this 6-inch corn plant. But the rest of them fall between 46 inches and 50 inches. So the overall pattern is that plants in variety A fall between 46 inches and 50 inches tall. There is a striking deviation, as they call it up there, of a 6-inch plant. All right, there we go for that. For the corn plants in variety B, describe the overall pattern of the corn plant heights and any striking deviations from the overall pattern. So to variety B, let's look here. And if we're looking at corn plants variety B, we don't have any striking deviations. So the overall pattern that I'm seeing is that the shortest plant is 45 inches and the tallest plant is 49 inches. Okay. All of the plants for variety B fall between, what's it, 45 and 49 inches with no striking deviations. Okay. The interquartile range of the corn plant heights for variety A is 3 inches. The interquartile range of the corn plant of variety B is 2 inches. What does the interquartile range tell you about the data for each variety of corn? Well, remember that is interquartile range box plots. It's all variability on that, so that there is less variability for variety B than variety A, um, because that just describes the middle of the data. Variability is more for variety A than B. Which variety of corn plants shows a greater spread in its distribution of heights? Variety A or variety B? Well, the overall pattern, we can go back, is between 46 and 50 inches, along with that strange one of 6. And down here, we've got a variation of a range of 45 to 49. So variety A has a greater spread, because technically it goes from 6 inches to 50 inches. Okay, and we can type that here. Excellent.